Bursa. Bursa, the fourth largest area and the fourth largest population in the Turkey. Bursa number one for economy, number one for automobile suite and the white tiny. In the city center, we have two stations only. We have the oldest city, the historic places, and we have...
So, yan. We're here. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo, guys. Basta sunod-sunod na lang tayo sa tour group. Ayan, let's go. Kung ano yung makikita rito, hindi ko rin alam, guys. Pagawaan ng baklava. Pagawaan ng baklava.
First of all, here you have many different types of dessert. It's our traditional dessert. We call it Turkish delight. In Turkish language, we call it luko. We have around 40 up to 55 different types of Turkish delight. All of them we are making here. Upstairs, we have a factory. For Turkish delight, we divide them into two sections. That's up to nuts. First section to start from pomegranate with the Snickers, from here until the brown chocolate. All of this section, opposite of you exactly, is coming with extra nuts, pistachio, almond, walnut, and hazelnut inside it. That's why we call it royal section, and its price is coming by 800 liras for 1 kilo. As a section, that's right, it's coming by 590. So we have two prices, we have two sections for the fish jar. And we have also two sizes boxes. You can take big box like this. You can make it.
Mga dessert pala nila dito, guys.
This common you can use it for over. If you take 5 boxes of this size, you get 1 box extra free and 10 box 2 for small one. We have extra
Different kinds of yung kanilang mga Turkish delights. Ayan yung yan, papashow kayo dito. Ito yung baklava. Hindi ko naman siya masyadong bet actually. Itong mga baklava. Hindi ko siya bet. Pero okay lang, hindi masyadong matamis. Yan, ang daming mga ano dito. Yan. Mga insenso pa. Ganun. Uy, ito olives, 425. Let's see the olive oil. Pomegranate sour. 300. 300. Healthy to, guys. 300 Turkish lira. Olive oil. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa oil. Ay, sa olives pala. Olives lang yan. And, ayan. Anik-anik pa. 450. Okay. Tingin tayo ng olive
We have
oil.
also for extra virgin, for everything, for cosmetics, for face, for the drink, for the, and we have normal one.
Normal one?
Yes, normal one.
600.
This one normal one.
Much 350.
350. The extra virgin 650.
Oh, okay.
The normal?
Ayan, bili tayo ng pomegranate. Healthy. Coffee detox. Uy. Let's see. Ano to? How much? How much is this? Let's see, guys, kung ano pa ang mabibili dito. Talagang puro gastos ang tour na ito. Parang talagang gusto nila na bumili ka ng bumili ng kung anik-anik. Diba, guys? Turkish coffee. Ayan. Ayan, ito mga to. Mga anik-anik. Lip balm. Lip balm. Mga pabango. Ayan. Mga pabango. Yung anik-anik. Magkano? 350 after cologne shave. Ayan. Bursa. 235. What was it?
For the entrance.
You want?
Can I buy this one?
You can choose. You want buy 5 get 1 free.
Oh, buy 5 get 1 free. One.
Candy.
Yung sabi na hindi bibili, pero napabili pa rin. Buy 5, free 1. Mushroom. Mushroom chocolate. OMG. Mushroom chocolate.
محشي لوز
With nuts,
محشي بندق محشي كريمه
almond, this is all almond. And this is all
Milk chocolate.
Macadamia.
not walnut.
Very weird.
Payment another section.
Let's
Anything for hair, for skin, we have turmeric mask, soap. It's also for acne. Peeling. Okay, just to try peeling. It's good for skin.
It's okay.
Goat milk peeling. Also for dry and acne or oily skin. Also we have serum. Here we have Bukhur. Sahla. This is drink.
For
Just without caffeine. Milk and cinnamon.
كان اليوم بوش ولا انا بوش
انت فيك الوقت.
1100
Got the cinnamon.
cinnamon.
And without caffeine. In morning is good.
Here, let's pay. Mapapagastos na naman tayo. Hindi oras. Ayan, let's pay na guys. Ay, puro gastos. Dami pa dyan, oh. Pwedeng mabili guys. Pero mahal. Maharlika. Daming mabibili dito. Pero maharlika. Yan. Let's go. So, tapos na tayo dun sa bilihan ng mga mahaling mga chocolate. Ako saan naman tayo pupunta. Another gastos na naman nakakaloka.
Until 1422. And we have Ottoman tomb, Muhammad al-Shalibi and his family. And we have historic hammam, 537 years old. Historic hammam, now like the small market, small soup, okay? We have there Ottoman rings, hoops, earring, that change to 7 colors. And we have silk, In the right, you can see the historic hammam. Upstairs we have Ottoman tomb. In the left we have
So, ayan ang mga pusa dito. O, diba? Parang mga artista. Pinipicturean ng pusa dito. O, guys. O, nagpo-post pa sila. Nice. O, diba? O, pak. Pinipicturean nila. We're here in Bursa. Bursa. There you go. How much is it? No price. So, yun yung bus na sinasakyan namin. Ngayon, may problema. Hindi siya mag-start. Anong oras na? Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Gutom na kami. Ayan. Anong oras na po eh? Dito tayo sa Bursa. Bursa.